What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Lumber Tycoon. I haven't played this game at all. I kind of just found it and played it. That's what most of the games that I play, most of them, that's what happens. Sorry, I gotta pull up from my other screen, but most of the games that I play, that's how it works. I don't have it. Where's my stop button for my recording? That's weird. Sorry guys, but there's no. There we go. There was no. Some reason my recording like glitched out. There we go. Yes, for some reason my recording thing glitched out and it was like, yeah, like there was no stop button. But why is this? Welcome to Lumberland. When your lumberland is all about chopping, your lumberland is all about chopping wood, building stuff. Visit your local wood supply store and buy an axe to get started. Okay. I'm assuming, yeah, Woods of Us. Alright, let's go to Woods of Us. They told us to get wood. Wood R Us is filled. Wood R Us is filled with plenty of items to help you chop and build. Find an axe to get started, then talk to Tom at the counter. And I forget about it, except for whatever. Okay. I want. What do I want? An axe. What's a good axe? Is there like certain axes that are good and bad? I'm gonna grab the one that looks the best. No, this one. Click to grab it. I'm clicking it, shift. Shift. Oh gosh. You have to hold shift and click and then move. So shift and then it's just click. Okay. This is so weird. This is so alright, okay. Here. Hello? E. Buy this plain axe for... How much money do I have? I only have 20... Yeah. Yeah, I'm a punk. No. Guess I gotta get this axe for like 20 bucks. This is so ridiculous. This is so ridiculous how to move it. I gotta hold click and shift at the same time and then move around. E. Interact. Buy this basic axe for $12. Yes. Now do I get it? Find someone you like to... What? Okay. What do I do with... What do I do with this? I'm so confused. E. What? Wait. Hold on. I gotta move my screen recorder to see it. Chat with Tom. E. Find something you like. What? It's like... Oh, here. I'm so confused. I haven't even gotten started. Okay, I'll be right back when I get started. Okay, so I've gotten my axe. I actually found out how to do it. I have to go find a tree and chop it. So, let's chop. Keep swinging at the same point of the tree. Make a deeper cut, okay? And keep swinging at the tree. Bam. Bam. This is gonna take a while. Bam. This takes a while, man. Okay, so like. Okay. Just gonna keep clicking with my clicking spells. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done breaking the tree. So I broke the tree, and this is George the Magic Machine. He's taking all the wood. So I'm almost done. Click. Okay, oh, it's almost done. Why does this take so long? Why am I hitting up? I'm hitting like not where it's showing I'm hitting. Hit. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done. This is taking a long time. So I've cut the tree here. Sorry, I keep blinking. But like, it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Isn't it supposed to break? Do I not supposed to cut this tree? I'm supposed to cut other trees? What am I supposed to do? What's this? No, this is lumber and stuff, but like why? Why does it take so long? Whoa. Why is this taking so long? Oh. I'll see you guys in a second when I'm done. See, look, I'm done, but like, it's not doing anything. Oh. You can sell the wood at the store to make money as soon as you'll be able to buy a sawmill and start building. Okay. Now, how do I sell it? It's the land store. I don't know. They need to make more. This more specific. More stuff off. I'm very confused. This lumber game I'm not gonna be playing again. But because I'm very unsuccessful. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked me not being able to know what to do, then I guess hit the like, 20 likes and I'll do this again. Or 10, 20 likes and I'll do this again. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want. Can't force you. Peace.